I'm completely lost in this world. Some days I wake up at 10 a.m., other days it's 1 p.m. I sit up, scroll social media, play video games with friends, go to bed, and repeat. This is literally me every day. I'm trapped in a phase of low discipline, watching my own day slip away. On paper, if you ask me, I'm doing fine. I'm a student at a decent college, but what they teach me here doesn't resonate with me. It's all just empty theories. While I sit in these lectures, I feel like my dreams are dying every single day, and I'm just standing there witnessing it happen. The problem is, I can think up wild ideas. I'm always visualizing massive problems and building the solutions perfectly in my mind or sketching them out in paper. But as a college engineer, I have never actually taken those ideas out on real ground. I've never built them in real life. I was just a lazy student living in a 20's crisis. And now I'm standing on a position where I lack self discipline. I don't have physical fitness. I don't have motivation at all in my academic. And now I'm totally zero. I don't know what to do. But I'm done witnessing my own decline. I know a lifestyle transformation is insanely hard to achieve. You can't climb the Himalayas in a single leap. But this month, I'm going to put down one strong, undeniable foot towards my dream. To make this project work, I have to fix the foundation. The very first thing I need to change is my morning. To be honest, I don't even know how many years have passed since I last saw a sunrise. My goal here isn't to become some hyper motivated fitness influencer who works out frantically in the dark. I just want to wake up early enough to cherish the quiet beauty of the nature before the chaos of the day begins. Personally speaking, I don't even know how many times I've started this thing of waking up early in the morning and how many times I've actually failed. The problem is I was never accountable to somebody, but now I think I'm accountable to you. So right now I have two goals. First, my external goal is to build a real solution, not just thinking about it, just doing something. And my second goal is to master my life, at least in the very starting of it. So this is day one of habit tracking and solving a real life problem. And if you're watching this right now, feeling completely lost in college or stuck in your own routine that you don't want to follow, you don't have to panic. You don't have to figure out the next 10 years today. Just start right now. If you're watching this video today, tomorrow, or anytime, just do it with me. Drop a comment below with just two goals you want to hit this week or this month. And let's start holding each other accountable. See you in the next video.